Why does the author mention the loose plot structure of earlier musicals? A. To contrast it with Oklahoma's opening scene on a simple farmyard. We see from the passage that the loose plot structure is brought up to show what musicals looked like before Oklahoma, meaning Oklahoma veered from the loose plot formula to setting up a story with a real plot, to which the songs and dances contribute. But simply discussing the opening scene doesn't show a contrast to the previous review structure, as it doesn't imply an overarching plot that contrasts with the reviews. As this choice isn't applicable, it can be marked off. B. To explain the standard format that Oklahoma departed from. This matches the purpose more clearly. The passage says that before Oklahoma, musicals often resembled reviews, a loose plot strung together with popular songs, comic sketches, and dance numbers. This explains what the norm was at the time, so the reader can understand how Oklahoma broke the mold by introducing a musical with a tight plot with song and dance to drive it forward. This is likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. C. To show why the dream ballet sequence was an unusual choice. The ballet sequence comes later and is described in terms of how it advanced the plot, but the loose plot detail isn't linked to that specifically. Aside from that, the ballet sequence isn't mentioned as an unusual choice in the first place. For multiple reasons, we can mark this choice off. And D. To argue that musicals improved once they abandoned the review format. While the passage makes it clear that Oklahoma was more integrated than the older review style, it does not go so far as to argue that all musicals improved once that format was abandoned. The author's purpose is explanation, not evaluation. This being the case, this choice can be marked off, and we can mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.